बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अभी हम सोल्व करने जा रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज 5B, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। इट्स ए पार्ट। हाउ मैनी डेज आर इन 3 years? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, वी विल फाइंड days in 1 year. That is 365, and days in 3 years, it will be 3 multiplied by 365. It will be 1095 days in 3 years after multiplication. How many months are in 15 years? Months in a year, these are 12, and months in 15 years, that will be multiplied by 15 into 12. 15 twelfths are the 180 months. So it is the 180 months. There are 8 days in a week. There are days in week. Days in a week, these are 7, and days in 8 weeks, that will be 8 into 7, it will be 56. 56 days in 8 weeks there will be. Next, 730 days are equal to how many years? So we will divide these with 365 days. Days in a year, that are the 365. Number of years in 730, it will be 730 divided by 365. This will be 2 times 730. So there are the 2 years in 730 days. 2 is the answer. Next, it's E part. There are years and days in 1835 days. Days in a year, these are the 365 days. We will divide the 1835 with 5. 365 multiplied with 5, it will be 25, and 2 carries, it will be 30 plus 2, 32, and 3 carries, 3 fives are the 15 plus 5, it is the 18. 1825, 5 will be here, and after subtraction it is the 10. So these are the 5 years and the 10 days in 1835 days. It is question number 2 of exercise 5B. state whether the following are the true or false. It's a part. 8 years, 9 months are equal to the 452 weeks. First of all, we should know how many weeks are in a month. Weeks in month, these are the 4, and week in year, these are the 52. Now 8 will be multiplied with 52 plus 9 will be multiplied with 4. 52 will be multiplied with 8. 8 2s are the 16. 1 carry will be here. 8 5s are 40 plus 1. It is 416 plus 36. Now we will add 416 weeks plus 36. 6 plus 6, it is 12. 1 carry here. It will be 1 plus 1, 2 plus 3, it is 5 and 4. It is the 452 weeks. So this is the true. This statement is true. Next we are going to find out the 45 months is same as the 3 years and the 8 months. We will divide these into this will be 45. 3 months have the 36 months. 3 years have the 36 months, because 1 year has the 12 months and 3 it will be the 36, and 45 minus 36, it will be the 9 months. So it is equal to 3 years and 9 months, but it is given us 3 years and 8 months. That is false. Next, it's C part. 94 days makes exactly 3 weeks. "94" will be divided by it will be 94 divided by 4 weeks. 4 weeks month have the no. We will do the multiplication, because 3 weeks, in 3 weeks there will be 4 weeks, 3 weeks will be 13 weeks will be multiplied with 7, because 7 days in a week. Days in a week, these are 7. It will be 91. 91 means there are the total 91 days, but it is given that it is the 94 days, so it is a false. Now it is the question number 4. Leap years come after every 3 years. Leap year is a year which have the 29 days of February. Normally there are the 28 days, but in the leap years it will be the 29 years of the February. It comes after every 4 years. Comes after 4 years, but there is given it comes after 3 years, so it is a false. Next E part, there are the 52 days in a calendar year. 50 to 52 weeks in a calendar year. This is the true statement because weeks in a year is equal to 52 weeks. It is question number 3 of exercise 5D. Select the correct answer from the given options. Number of days in 5 years. Number of days in a year. These are the 365 days, and number of days in 10 years. That will be 365 multiplied by 10. It will be 3650. This is the B part. 3650 days. Next, convert the 96 months to years. To divide this one, we will to convert the 96 months into years. Months in a year. These are the 12 months. So we will divide 96 divided by 12. It is the 8 times are the 96. It is the 8 years. So option D is the correct, 8 years. How many weeks in 12 years? Weeks in a year. These are the 52, and weeks in 12 years, it will be 52 multiplied by the 12. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, and then it will be 2 1s are 2, 5 1s are 5. It will be added 4, 2 and 6. 624. This is the C part, that C option, that is the correct. Next, it's D part that we are going to solve. 13 years and 8 weeks make weeks. We will convert 13 years into weeks, and plus add the 8 weeks, it will make the number of weeks. 13 years and 8 weeks, it will be 30 into 52, because in a year, weeks in year, these are the 52. We will multiply with 52 plus add 8 weeks. 52 multiplied by 13. 13 2 times are 6. 13 5s are the 50. 2 1s are 2 and 5 1s are 5. 56, 7 and 6. 7, 67 plus 8. We will add the 8. It will make 14 plus 1 carry. It will be 8 and 6, 684 weeks. It is the C part. Next, uh, in 5 years, 5 months, there are weeks. We are going to find out the weeks in 5 years and the 5 months. 5 years, 5 months. First, we should know weeks in a month. These are 4, and weeks in year. These are the 52. Now 5 will be multiplied with the 52 plus 5 months will be multiplied with the 4. 52 multiplied by 5, 5 to the 10, 0 will be here, and 1 carry 5, 5 are 25 plus 1 it will be 26, 260 plus 5, 4 are the 20. We will add the 20 in this one, it will be the 280. 280 weeks. This is a option that is correct. Now it is the question number 4. Change given years into months. It is A part, that are the 13 years. We are going to change months. Months in a year. These are the 12. So 13 multiplied by 12. 13 multiplied by 12, it will be 26. Next, 13 one times are here, 6, 5 and 1. 156 months in 13 years. Next is B part. 7 years. We are going to months. Months in a year. These are 12. 7 will be multiplied by 12. 7, 12 times are the 84. 84 months in 7 years.